used to lay down by the riverside under the branches and the leaves, watching as the world passed me by, watching as the world passed me by. I just wanna clear my hazy head, I just wanna get some rest. It's twisting chills inside my chest if I stay awake instead. Ooh, so it goes, never stops and everybody grows. The strange wind's coming after change is running. You're losing it before you know. I used to lay by the water to sleep, I could ease my mind beneath an old tree. But my friends and I fell right in the line, now I can't settle my mind. And ooh, so it goes, never stops and everybody knows. This strange wind's coming after change is running. You're losing it before you know. So it goes, never stops as everybody grows. This strange wind's coming after change is running. I've lost you, I should have known. I've lost you, I should have known.
Cradle to grave, it's so hard to balance. After all, the devil is a man of many talents. Love to stay and chat, but I've got an appointment with that old nostalgia I once thought was so poignant. I'll always remember that awful September, kinda seems so far away. And always remember the now darkened embers of the fire that roared inside. Keep a little distance, need to feel your gravity. Never get between me and my jumped to conclusion. Putrid in here, don't take another step. I remember when meeting required no prep. Thought we owned the world, now the world owns us. It's always been the latter, too painful to discuss. I love when we spoke of all the places we'd go if we had found the play button, much less the remote. I just couldn't hear the scale of those years to be delivered unto me. Keep a little distance, wanna fill this cavity. Thought I'd give you just a second of hope, but take a picture and it'll last so much longer than that. I should know. I can see you bartered away for some good news. I forgive you all that concrete you poured down my throat. Keep a little distance, I need to feel your gravity. All this grief was my satellite, tidally locked to you.